Thieves stole a TR01AV-5330 number bike on Tuesday night. Incident took place in Jampujala Govindhagar village. Police have started the investigation over this incident. A group of thieves stole a TR01AV-5330 number NS150 bike on Tuesday night. Incident took place in Jampujala Govindhagar village. It was learned that on Tuesday night the family members went to sleep after dinner as usual and left the bike in the house lobby. On the next morning on Wednesday, there was no bike in the house lobby. Family members screamed over this incident. After that, the bike owner, including some villagers, started searching for the bike. In the end, the bike owner filed GD entry at the Jampujala police station.
Bike to daily to Tonya Zaga, Mia Watani, no Sitong Malia, Nothing Pata Tomanta, Ozaga. Mian Hydra posting outside. Mia Noko Dalia and Pata Tomani.
Koitering Mia.
Mia Bistarik ni Horaita.
Quite a digger of one.
Abu Barta or Haika Tongo, Bartan Poren and Kanagotanaka, Sungapur Puzaka, Semalia.
Nino bike ni Incoke. Tam bike.
NX150.
Number of sediment.
TR01AV-5330.
Acha. Omo Boam Cyclemo.
Sankuma Ponset to Sankuma, Paranka Gum the Tour Para.
Nin Chini
Bidi de Burma.
Did the Verona. Acha Uncle Mo a Tana case Hamni under clay.
Como Jampujala. Yes.
Kaboro para Pika Tanan Borole.
Hanan Borok in very Paitan.
Tam Salang Bro.
Borok to Nagana Nishata.
Acha Emne Omahai J. Nin bike Mamani Cabnos Kun Sunday Horror about to Tom.
Sunday have to come up to
Asika Logo, no young area of my Kamaro, Kabay Kun cover to Tom.
I'm a Hakeo, Pundok, Kishimisa Kamaro of me, like that. Pundok Kamao,
Jampujala police have started taking the investigation to find out the thieves and the bike. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.